Namaskara Materegla. Welcome back to Solmelu Studios. And today we are making our second vlog of traveling where we learn Tulu words as we travel. And this time we're not traveling to Tulunad. In fact, we are traveling far away from Tulunad. Actually, far away from India. Guess where? I'll tell you by the end of this video. Today we are at the Bengaluru International Airport, Kempegowda International Airport, Terminal 2. And of course, this time we are not taking a bandi or a bus to travel. In fact, we are traveling by an airplane. And can you guess what is airplane in Tulu? Yeah, I'll tell you in a bit. Aeroplane in Tulu is Imano or Imana, depending on the dialect you speak. When you say Imana, the root to that is Vimana. Vimana in Sanskrit. So we are traveling in an Imano today. And traveling. What is travel or journey in Tulu? Journey or travel in Tulu is Payana or again Payano. We notice this word ending that either are A or O depending on the dialect you speak. So again the root to that would be Prayana. So we are doing a Payano on a Imano. But where? Well, I'll not tell you right now, but I'll give you a clue. It's a tiny island far away from India, far away from Asia in Mediterranean. By the way, what is island in Tulu? Do you know that? Wow. Somebody got a free desert. Who got a free desert? Yeritikin in free desert. Dadan sakande babu. Madhyaratra nidre barandu. International flight ate. Lounge desert kale aitange matra balada mone tu papa pandu. Erare mango desert koriyeru. Mango? What is mango in Tulu? Well, mango in Tulu is cuckoo. Let's say it again. Cuckoo. My Bala's desert she's having. When it comes to island, a lot of people use the word Dvipa or Div. But in Tulu, there's another word for island. It is Kuduru. Kuduru. The and Ra have this Tulu vowel here, the near silent vowel so it is Kuduru. But then there are also dialects where you probably say Kuduru also, and there are some dialects where you say Kudru. But in the most common dialect, the word for island is Kuduru with So guys, as usual, we do things, and again we have to just get BISA BISA through our boarding gate. If you don't know what BISA BISA is, please watch the first vlog and you'll understand what BISA BISA is. By the way, we have a pit stop because it's a long flight and it's going to take about 10 hours. Wait a minute. 10? Did I say 10 hours? What is 10 in Tulu? I'll tell you in a bit. 10 in Tulu is Patshu. That is Pa with a gemination of Ta with a Tulu special vowel U. It's not U, okay? It's U. Pattu. Kullekane Mujaregante Papa Bal. By the way, why are we traveling where we are traveling? Well, we are on a holiday, school vacations, break, but this destination we are heading, I got my relatives there, very close relatives. My elder sister, my brother-in-law, my nephew, and on that note, what do you call elder sister, brother-in-law, nephew, and niece in Tulu? Pause and comment in the video and let me know if you get it before I tell you.
Invite you to board shortly.
Finally managed to join my family again, had lost them in the way. So we are kind of hands-free, just our laptop bags, camera bags, and almost all our suitcases are checked in. On that note, what is suitcase in Tulu? Palle, let me know. Boarding we are boarding the flight finally. ಮತ್ತೆ ನಮ್ಮ ವಿಮಾನ ನಿಲ್ದಾಣ ಉಂಟು, ಮಸ್ತ್ ವಿಮಾನ ಉಂಟು. ಅವು ನಮ್ಮ ವಿಮಾನ Qatar Airways from Bengaluru to Doha. That's not a final destination. I will tell you later. I'll give you more clues and tell you what the final destination is. Bengaluru boarding finally reported, and we are waiting for the flight to take off, the Imana to take off, and people are tuned into the digital entertainment systems. So, I asked you a question. What are the words in Tulu for elder sister, brother-in-law, nephew, and niece? Elder sister is Paldi, and brother-in-law would be Baveri. The word for nephew in Tulu is Arvade, and niece is Marmal. This is not my Marmal. This is my daughter. She is my Magal, and she is my Bodedi. Bodedi means wife. Good morning, everyone. Right now, we are somewhere flying over the Arabian Sea. After we took off at around 45.5 from Bangalore, we flew slightly to the north direction and then immediately to the west to head over to the Middle East. Talking about direction, what is the word for direction in Tulu? And I mentioned that we went north and then the flight turned westwards. So what is north and what is west in Tulu? Also, what about east and what about south in Tulu? The cardinal directions. So the Tulu word for direction is Dikku. Dikku. Da with the E vowel matra to it, Di. K. That is gemination of two cars together with the Tulu vowel U. Dikku. Not Dikku, but Dikku. And the word for north is Padakai. The word for south is Tinkai. And east in Tulu is Mudai, and west is Pattai. So our flight this morning went a little Badakai direction and then took off Pattai and flying over the Arabicadal, that is the Arabian Sea, and heading to Doha, Qatar. And we have good free Wi-Fi here, a nice breakfast, and but she is tired and sleepy. Good morning, everyone. We have finally reached Doha, Qatar at the King Hamad International Airport. Welcome to Doha. Now we're going to proceed to transfer for our next destination, the island, the Qudr. Have you still guessed it, where we're heading to? Let me know in the comments. We have completed our transfer at the Doha International Airport. Now we're just waiting for our boarding and departure. What a giant teddy bear. I'm glad my daughter is 11 years old now and not 2 or 3, and she wouldn't demand for this. So this giant teddy is actually installation by Swiss artist Urs Fischer, and this is at the center stage in the grand foyer of the Hamad International Airport's duty-free hall. It's actually a yellow bear cast in bronze and standing 7 meters high. So friends, I'm in a foreign land right now. So foreign land. I think every language has a word to say foreign or a foreign land or going abroad. You might say Paradesa, Parauru. But Tulu also has one more beautiful word to say going abroad or traveling out of the country. It's made up of two words, very simple words. It is Pidai Ur. Pidai means outside and Ur means a town or a place in a city, a country, it could be anything. So when you say Pidai Uru, it generally refers to a foreign land. And people use it. Yan Pidai Uru pondalla. Ay Pidai Uru punmara. So it's Pidai Uru. Beautiful phrase made up of two simple words. Pidai, outside, Uru, place. I'm in Pidai Uru, Qatar, waiting to go to another Pidai Uru, which is that. So if you're transiting via Doha and you have a long layover, you actually book your transit city tour and desert city tour here. The transit visa. Our transit time is probably just about 3 hours, so we can't do this. Maybe next time we'll try to do this. Anda, duty free lagadi gettara. Undo car mara. Maserati. It's fun to be walking hands-free in the airport because most of our baggage is checked in. The suitcases are checked in because we had 25 kilos per person on this PNR. That's 75 kilos of suitcase to check in. So I asked you a question, right? So what is suitcase in Tulu? Well, the answer is pettige. So pettige is a word to mean trunk or a big box or suitcase that you take to travel. And sometimes you add words before it as a prefix to make it mean a specific type of a box. You guys go on a holiday, pack your pettige, check it in and enjoy hands-free wherever you go. Qatar Airport, the garden area by the. So beautiful and pretty it is. Wow. The airport will have a garden. So we are at this installation called Wild Table of Love, a bronze installation by artists Gillian and Mark. It's right in the garden area of King Hamad International Airport, the new terminal area. Very pretty area with a lot of greenery, and right in the middle there's a beautiful installation of wild animals all seated together, having conversation and dinner together. So we are already near a boarding gate. Did you guys figure out where we're heading to? As I said, it's an island near Mediterranean, and it was part of the ancient maritime networks connecting Tulunad and Mediterranean. Try guessing. I think we put a bus to board our flight.
Bus daga bantini Tulu to?
Oh, first vlog or tour. Let them watch in the first vlog.
Oh.
If not watch. So we have boarded another flight, the second one, and it's going to take another 3 hours for us to get there. Have you figured out where we're heading to? Where this island is? This island is very close to Turkey and Greece. That's another clue. If you come to know of it, pause the video and comment at what timestamp you got to know it. Once upon a time, Tulunad had great maritime connections with the Roman Empire, and the spices from Tulunad, like black pepper, they travel all the way to Greece via a beautiful sea route. And the island that we are going today to was a connection, an important link between Tulunad and Greece. That's another clue. By the way, the Greek writers wrote about Tulunad in their Old Greek, and I think they called Tulunad as Toloikera. Somebody is excited. She got some gifts, goodies by the air hostess. Show what else did you get? So you got this book and look at it.
Oops.
Ooh,
Smaller thing first. There's a
pen.
pen. There is a pencil topper.
Oh, 3D glasses.
They don't really work here.
3D book. Still not figured out where we're heading to. Well, here's another clue. You know how much I love teaching Tulu Script and discovering new scripts. This is how you write Tulu. the script that is used in this island. Guess the script. Guess the language. So friends, I luckily managed to get the window seat because my daughter went to sleep. And we are just entering the Mediterranean Sea. Oh, just can't wait to show you guys as we enter the Mediterranean. By the way, what is window in Zulu?
Window in Tulu is Kandi, consonant ka with the kutakshara of retroflex na and da with the e matra. Kandi.
We have entered there. Wow. There we are finally. There. Finally landed. There's water there. It's like a beach there. The runway seems to be along a beach. And here we are at the blue, pristine Mediterranean Sea. Wow. ये तो पुरलिया. Let me know what I'm writing here. If you can read Tulu Script, you can get this easily. Welcome to Cyprus.